This is the SK690J. J stands for joystick. This machine has an ISO control joystick, which basically means all the movement is controlled by the joystick, and all the lifting and the bucket operation is controlled by the little lever on the right. The engine is an Honda GX690. Most of the hydraulic lines are hard plumbed. You have all the pressure control elements there. The tanks are all steel. And now we will have a look inside. Inside we can see a Hansa pump, which is massive, belt operated. The hydraulic tank is steel as well, easy to access battery, and 4 hydraulic motors, 1 for each wheel. This machine takes all the Kanga attachments. The front mount is cast, as you can see. You've got tie-down points. This machine comes equipped with a variety of attachments. At the moment, it is for sale with one of these GP high capacity buckets. As you can see here, it's quite a big bucket, and it's good for firewood and just to use it, to carry other things. This is the other version, equipped with just the 2 levers. The operation is a little bit different, but it's the same machine. Otherwise, comes out a little bit cheaper. So there we go, SK690J. This is part of the professional line. Machine is all powder coated. The counterweights are standard on this line. All right, thank you for watching. This is Max from MAXDUTY Imports in Western Australia. We are located in 2J, open on appointments 6 days a week.